Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to register LLC on Sunbiz. To access this platform, you have to go to its website, which is sunbiz.org. Once you get to this website, now we have to submit the LLC. But before, we have to make sure the name we are going to register as an LLC does not exist before. So for that, you have to click on this search option, and then you have to click on this name option, which is we will search by name. Then you just have to simply add your desired name here, and then just simply search. If you see the name exists already with any sort of LLC or maybe L.L.C or with any other name that you're interested in, if that exists, then you cannot register it with that name. So for that reason, you have to just simply go with another unique name. Otherwise, if you can't find it there, then you can just simply use that name. Once you get back, you have to click on this option start a business, and then you can see this option start e-filing, and under it we have this first option, which is limited liability company, which is for LLC. You just have to simply click onto it and you will get to this page. So here is some of the information, you can read it, and once you're done, click on file or correct Florida LLC article of organization. Once you tap onto it, it will take you to this page. Here you have to go with this option file article of organization. Just simply get agreed to their terms and condition and then click on start new filing. After that, it will take you to this form. Now you have to fill out all of this information and make sure everything is correct. If anything is wrong, then you will be responsible for that. So first you have to add your effective date, and after that it will show you that the filing fee is $125. You can check it out. If you're okay with that, then you can continue. Then what you have to do is that you have to just simply add all of your information like your company name, your business address, your mailing address, and after that you also have to add the further address. Then you have to add your purpose or maybe the statement, and after that it will ask you to add your corresponding name and email address. You have to just simply fill out these information, and if you have any directors in your company, you have to fill out their information as well. There are 7 directors option. If you have all 7 of them, you can fill out all. Otherwise, if you have 1 or 2, you can just simply fill out their information and then you can click on continue. Once you're done with it, then you have to just simply pay $125 using your payment address. And after that, your application will be sent to the organization. They will review it. If everything is alright, then your LLC will be created. In case anything get wrong, they will send you an email, and after that you have to correct the issue. So that's how you can register LLC on Sunbiz. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.